Yeah, I'm gonna snag one day. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna do it.
Wait for the tech to advance a little bit, and then
Yeah, man.
or you get in on it as like a business venture.
True.
Right.
Having some problems over here.
Is that the Grand Canyon?
Livingston.
No, this is the Mississippi. This is the Great River.
That's a huge canyon. It's the lower
It's just a slightly exaggerated.
It's a dry
That's
spell.
all. You know.
Right.
Ultimate challenge: build New Orleans Parish.
Let's recreate Hisders. That'll be easy.
This is West
That's the
Louisiana
Amy.
Parish. This is I thought it was Bayou Sarah Thompson coming into
okay.
the Mississippi River.
Actually, yeah. This is the
Wait, I'm
bluff.
confused. I don't
the
know what
bluff
we're looking at
This
bluff.
is
right
Amy watershed. No, Bayou Sarah Thompson still over here, I think.
Yeah.
That's Bayou Sarah.
I thought y'all were gonna do it. From,
And then the
I don't know,
Comey.
maybe this way.
You got Prophet Island,
Come down.
which is right here.
Maybe a chapel. It was just
Put Prophet Island in there. Get it built up.
They did some oil and gas.
You can scoop water too. She just did that when she picked up the sand.
Deer.
Move the waters.
The water went with it. Well,
And that's flowing. What?
Oh my god.
yeah.
That is cool.
Let's form it.
Could have said.